Hello viewers, you are welcome. Let's solve this problem together. 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of 3x equals 2. So what are we going to do? So now I will write this equation as 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of, here is going to be 3 to the power of x, then all to the power of 3 equals 2. So I try to take, that is from the law of indices, okay? So you can do the replacement. 3 will go outside and the x will come in. So we have that. So now from there, so we let y equals 3 to the power of x. So anywhere we see 3 to the power of x, we replace it by y. 3 to the power of x, sorry, I will have to rewrite it again. 3x to the power of 3 equals 2. So which means this is going to be y plus, we have y to the power of 3 equals 2. Are you following? So now the next thing we're going to do is, so I'm going to rewrite this equation. You have y to the power of 3, then plus y equals 2. So we can rewrite this as y to the power of 3 plus y minus 2 equals 0. Are you following? So now from there, so what are we going to do next? So now from here, I can write this 2 here. You have y to the power of 3 plus y. So I can write this y as 2 as 1 to the power of 3, then minus 1 to the power of 2. Okay, up to the power of 1 like this. So equals 0. So now from there, so how we have this to be, like how we take this and this together, I'm going to have y to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3, then plus y minus 1 equals 0. So now from there, the next thing I'm going to do here, so we know that when you have a to the power of 3, I have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. So this will give us a to the power of, this will be a minus b, okay, a minus b, okay, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So that is what this will give us. So we are going to write this y to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 in this form. So we're going to have y minus 1, okay, then into bracket y squared, that is, you square the y, then plus multiplying a and b, 1 and y, we have y, then square this 1, that is going to be plus 1, then all equals 0. So now from here, that is what we have here, okay, but we want to include this. We don't need to put equals 0 here, so it's supposed to be, I've omitted this plus y minus 1, okay, equals 0. So this is going to be y minus 1 y squared plus y plus 1. Now here, so let's take out y minus 1 out of this, okay, by factorizing it. So here we'll be left with 1, then equals 0. So we're going to have y minus 1, we have y squared plus y, then plus 2, then all equals 0. Are you following? So now from there, we're going to have what? We're going to have that y minus 1 to be equal 0, or y squared plus y plus 2 equals 0. So we have what? We have these two equations. So now from here, you can see that y is going to be 1 by transposing this to the right hand side. Okay, y should be 1. Then here, we're going to see, we're going to use quadratic formula in finding the value of y here. So now, so we're going to have a equals 1, b equals 1c equals 2. So we have y equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over what? All over 2a, right? So we have y equals minus 1 plus or minus square root of the b squared is 1 squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is also 2. Okay, all over 2a. You have y equals minus 1 plus or minus, we have 1 minus, so 1 minus 4 times 2. So we have 1 minus 8, that is going to be minus 7 divided by 2a. 2 times 1, we have 2. So we have y equals. Now we're going to have minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 7. This can be root of minus 1 dot root of 7 all over 2. Right, so from here, so we have y equals this. So, and that is going to give us, we're going to have what? We're going to have y is going to be minus 1 plus or minus I root 7, okay, all over 2. So now from here, you can see this is complex root because of I. So therefore, we are not going to have the real solution, okay, here. So no solution here. You understand? Because we have the root of y to be this. So therefore, we need to go back to where we have the real solution here. So now we have y equals what? Y equals 1. So we have to recall that y is replaced to be 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of x. So whenever you have y, so y is what? Y is 1 equals 3 to the power of x. Now replace this one as 3 to the power of 0. You have 3 to the power of x. So now since we are having the same basis, so we're going to equate the exponents. We have x to be equals 0. So we have what? We have the solution to be x equals 0. And that's the end of the class. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share, like, and comment. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you are just watching for the first time. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Bye bye.